This is a video walkthrough for 2237 West Fullerton in the Bucktown neighborhood of Chicago. This is a 4-unit building located just west of the highway, so there's easy access to get on the highway. This is the first floor unit, so it's a few steps above grade. And as we walk through the gate and approach the front door, you can see there are 4 buzzers, so you can buzz people into the building. And there's also an Amazon key sticker, which means that Amazon and US Mail can deliver the mail and packages into the lobby. Again, this is the first floor unit, so as we enter the front door, you enter the hallway. As you get into the living room, you can see there are nice high ceilings, lots of windows, so lots of light. There's a thermostat for central heat and central air. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit, and as we enter the first bedroom, you can see there's a ceiling fan and a window and a large closet with mirrored sliding doors. Next is the bathroom. And just past the bathroom is the laundry room, which also has your furnace and hot water heater. So you can see it's a large stackable washer dryer. There's your hot water heater and furnace. So it's central heat and central air conditioning. And in the kitchen, it's a large undermount sink, granite countertops, maple cabinets, and all of the normal appliances, along with a butcher block island, which also adds additional storage below. And off of the kitchen is the other bedroom. This bedroom is a little bit larger. It also has a ceiling fan. It also has a large closet with sliding mirror doors. And then you're back in the kitchen, and off the back of the kitchen is a porch. You can see it's a fairly nice sized porch. There's parking in the back for 2 cars, and this unit's spaces are the far right hand side. So as we go down and out the back door and enter the parking area, again, the parking spaces for this unit are the far right hand side, adjacent to that neighbor's garage. And this is the alley behind the property.